Good morning, you guys. It is Christmas and I am about to start doing a little work, but before that, I want to show you guys what I got for Christmas. So my husband got me, oh my gosh, these shoes that I have been wanting for forever, but who was paying $100 and some for them? Not me. They are called Huaraches and they're too small. So I'm going to take them back tomorrow and get my actual size. And he also got me an Ulta gift card. From my mother-in-law, I got a Kate Spade wallet. I just learned that it is bad luck, although I'm not superstitious, nor do I think that anything is bad luck. But apparently it's bad luck to give an empty wallet. So that is why there's $1 in there, I'm sure. And super excited. I've never had anything Kate Spade. I stand black, gold, white, and silver. And I love small wallets, so super excited. I don't know how my husband's socks made it over here, but those are, I'm just showing you guys my stuff. Well, we got these together. This is a gift card. This is from my mother-in-law to us. And then she got me a nightgown, which she always does, and a pajama set. And, oh, there are the pants. We got some glasses, which I'm super excited for. About to pop those in the dishwasher. Some Dove soap. I stand Dove soap. Basically, she just gets me everything that I like. So there's nothing that I ever get from her that I do not like. I don't know how my husband's stuff made it over here. I have been wanting a blow dryer with a comb attachment for decades, and she got me one. She got me some little snacks. This all came in like a little bag thing. We each got a rag, and she gets us the same amount of stuff. And I think that's pretty much it. That's all that I got. My husband got, oh, and we also got together a king sheet set, which I'm super excited for that. So anyway, these are the things that I got for Christmas. So here's my office all painted. Looks really good, and I'm super excited about it. So what I am going to do is I think I'm gonna start like unpacking the office and just trying to make it look reasonable. I do have a lot of stuff that I want to do with the office because this is going to be like a fancy filming space, like a place. I want it to be nice because it's behind French doors, glass French doors. It's the first room that you see when you walk in, and I just want it to be nice, period. So it's definitely going to be nice. It's a lot of stuff I want to do with it, but I do think I am able to at least start like unpacking. Also, let me show you what else I plan to get into today. So another thing that I want to do today is start organizing these drawers. Also, I have purchased a few little baskets that I felt that would be perfect to put, like, you know, just really bathroom stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll check in with you guys in a few. Good morning, everybody. Today is the day after Christmas, and we got some ish to do. So yesterday we just opened gifts, and I did buy those off of Facebook Marketplace. Stuff on there finds me. I don't find the stuff on there. And oh, and we did finally emptied out the apartment, so that's finished, because on today 8 to 10 the security person is supposed to be here to install the system, and then at 9:30 the cleaning lady who I have hired for the apartment is going to do a move out deep cleaning, and that's a thing. Another huge thing for today is we may possibly buy a new washer and dryer, which was never originally in the budget, but due to like fortunate events, a series of fortunate events, we may buy one. Also blinds. So we're actually up at 5:45 a.m. We're about to head to Lowe's and or Home Depot to see if we can get some blinds, because we've decided that we're just going to install them ourselves, since the quote that I got from the other people was $2,000 for their lowest package. So yeah, no. Anyway, this is our current situation. We have beach towels hung up everywhere, and it's very good. I would not recommend. So we're gonna go out and try to get some blinds, and him probably a drill. Also, you guys, we lost the pieces to the bed that we bought off of Facebook Marketplace as well, and we don't know where they are. So that's another thing that we can get from Home Depot, Lowe's, the new pieces for the bed, so we can put together a king bed, because our first guest arrives tomorrow, as well as our couch, our sectional. So yeah, we haven't. The cool thing is I bought this little, oh, look at my nail, oh my god. The cool thing is I bought this little tray to keep our like watches and like rings and stuff like that. So we haven't worn our rings in days, like with moving and all of that. It's just annoying, but at least we know where they are. Anyway, off to Home Depot / Lowe's. So the Vivint guy is here. We actually just talked to him and picked out all of our items and stuff, and he's about to install, and then I'll take you guys on a little tour afterwards. So the cleaner is here, the housekeeper. I found her off of Facebook Marketplace for $100. She's gonna do a move out deep cleaning, and I'm excited because I can go do other more important things. It has been literally 2 weeks since I last heard, well, okay, I lied. It's been 2 weeks though since I started trying to get service set up at the new house. So I'm here the day after Christmas for one last time. If these people don't give me an answer by the end of the business day, I am switching to AT&T.
Getting ready to go down to Florida on Saturday.
Oh yeah?
So, I'm glad I thought about it last night, because I'm thinking, well, if I leave around 3 o'clock in the morning, I should be arriving at my friend's house around 7.
Yeah, that's a long, what part of my, oh.
Right, 30 minutes before Orlando.
Okay.
But it's a 6.5 hour drive.
Yeah, that's a long drive.
So if I leave at 3, I should be arriving by 10. I was like, let me rethink that. Let me leave a little earlier. But this is the best part. Look at that, look at that. See all the bags?
Oh, you already packed?
I got all my bags.
Oh, you're ready to go.
Where you go?
Florida.
Florida.
Ooh.
I'm supposed to work on Saturday, but I took that day off, so I'm leaving. I was leaving at 3 o'clock in the morning to be arriving at my friend's house around 7. God, I'm good with math, all right? 6.5 hour drive. If I leave at 3, I'm arriving by 10. So I'm gonna have to tell the kids, yeah, I'm gonna have to leave a little earlier. We're gonna be leaving around midnight. How about that?
Right.
Friday night. But yeah, so I'm like, I got all my bags.
All right, you got it.
Thank you.
All right, you downloaded?
I am
Yep.
ready to
I
go.
know
Let me
you
get
just
in
sat
here.
down, but
No, he downloaded it for me.
Yep.
okay. You got a text message, didn't you not?
Yeah, it came to one of these.
Okay.
ones.
There's a PIN number, 6-digit number in there. Can I get that number?
271030.
Thank you much. I know y'all sat down, but I kind of need you to get right back up.
Oh, okay. We're coming. Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hey, here?
Yes, I can hear you.
I think he's
Can you see me?
He's frozen there for a second, so let's just do this. Yeah, apparently he touched the button at the same time. There we go.
Oh,
Yes, I can see you. How are you?
I'm pretty good. You can hear me?
Yes, say something.
I'm saying, well, I mean, we're obviously communicating back and forth.
Well, then that means I can hear you then, doesn't it, Smarty?
Can you see me over here?
I can see the little garage light. I can see from there. Well, actually, I can see the house across the street. From there all the way back to the other house, way back there.
And that car was driving up.
And Ian passing, and that person running or walking. And I can see my car, that blue flag, and a whole bunch of stuff.
That's cool. So,
Very much so.
Front door.
Get out my house, intruder! So update, today is still December the 26th. As you guys know, we got up really early. We went to Lowe's, we got blinds for all of the windows. He got a new drill, or a drill. And What else do we do? We got something else. Oh, some screws for the bed.
Yeah, blinds and screws.
Yeah, blinds and screws and drill. And then we came back, and then literally when we were pulling in, the security guy was here, so that's interesting. You guys should be seeing some footage of that. And what else? And then we talked to him and everything and picked out everything that we wanted and whatnot. And then I went to the apartment to talk to the housekeeper about, you know, what I needed her to clean and, you know, what kind of shape I wanted her to leave the apartment in and, you know, what her job duties would entail. And then I went to Comcast and Xfinity trying to get cable and internet set up over here. They are continuing to give me the runaround. Apparently, even though their construction warehouse is like up the street, the only way they can communicate with them is via email. So I can't pull up and I can't call. They can't call, they can't pull up. So still waiting for them to respond via email, but the lady did say I should hear something back from her today. So fingers crossed that they can come out here and give me some cable and internet so I can start fully thriving. And what else? I then went to Best Buy to look at washers and dryers. I had already looked at some online that were big enough, you know, to house or to hold a king comforter, and that had good reviews, and that was within our budget. And I did find a pair for $1,100, so yay for that. Then that's going to be delivered tomorrow, as well as the sectional, as well as my best friend getting here. So I will be bringing you guys along with us tomorrow. What we're going to try to do now, I'm still waiting to hear back from Amelia, who is the housekeeper, and he wants his phone repaired because the screen is cracked. So at some point today is going to consist of trying to hang blinds, putting this king bed together, which I'm super excited for, going back to the apartment to consult with Amelia and just confirm that, you know, what the shape of the apartment is.
Right.
And then, oh, you do? That's funny.
I was looking for the part.
And then, what else?
Putting the bed
Excuse me,
together.
and then we may go get his phone repaired, excuse me.
We will, not no may.
We will. And then that's pretty much it for today, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then tomorrow, since I have to be here all day, I am going to hopefully the blinds are all hung by this evening, and
all the blinds.
and the bed is together. I can start working on that.
I can tell you the bed will be put together today.
Okay, the bed will be together. I can make our new bed.
Have 1 or 2 blinds up.
Okay, I can make our bed. I can make the queen bed for our guest tomorrow, although she can sleep on the couch or floor or whatever. Nobody cares about that. But since she is coming, I'll go ahead and try to get that situated. And I can start trying to, you know, really whip this place into shape. As we all know, I may be giving myself too harsh of a time crunch because I feel as though those light fixtures should be up better. What do you think?
You mean like higher? Or
Like not hanging down.
not hanging down?
No, the white ones, the recessed lighting or whatever you call it. Those. The little fixtures. Don't you think they're kind of hanging down?
I mean, they're supposed to be hanging down.
The white ones.
Yeah, these 2 right here.
No, the white lights.
Oh.
Don't you think they look kind of weird?
Like they're not sealed?
Like they're falling down.
Yeah.
I'll have to tell the ruler, but they look crazy. I'm about to show y'all.
Yeah, tell them about that.
Yeah, they for sure look crazy.
Yeah,
We
they
do
are-
still have to wait to get our
they're coming
garage repaired and whatever. We got a lot of stuff. But yeah, I may be giving myself...
Girl, you see these ladybugs?
I know, he has a ladybug infestation, but I'm here for it because I like ladybugs.
We have 3 of them now.
I may be doing a whole lot, but I have a whole week and a half I've had, you know, like by the time that this is over, I will have had a whole week and a half off from work. What else better would I be doing than, should I be doing than getting my house together? So let me, this, no. Let me show y'all. Yeah, no, that's not, yeah, that's basically falling down. I need somebody to come seal that for sure. Yeah, that's crazy.